Well, he talk me. But Jayden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, to Jahmiel, the ask for a response from Chronic Law, and I say, oh, I know them a run from the clash. I think give me the response. The Shawn Storm track Crusader, viewers and subscribers, are even bloodbath. As a matter of fact, even Govana was called out on the track. Shawn Storm said, oh, me talk about Spain, if me ever buck you in the bus park or trouble. If we buck you up a top bank side. Now, viewers and subscribers, should Govana respond? Yeah, that's the talk in the streets. Necessarily, I don't feel like Govana should defend Idonia. Idonia for defend himself. Make Idonia put out a track if him can. If him claims him one of the lyrical giants in the game, make him put out a track for himself. Jahmiel, now Jahmiel know better. Jahmiel know better than to respond to Siva. Him know it go. As a matter of fact, now we see him search for areas to big him up. One time we must say TG I say no. We see him say Glendevan I say no. Him say Spain, Rivali I say no. He must search for a place now, just like how Alkaline did a search for a place. Previously, him just stopped doing it now and just realized, say, yo, it don't make no sense. But he just go on the music and read. Jahmiel should focus on him career from early out. We see him drop a track recently and it now have nothing to do with the clash. Hinting say, yo, him a run from Siva. Yeah, him definitely a run from Siva, viewers and subscribers. The lyrical confrontation, and that's something dancehall need, but it's a part of dancehall. It's a way to establish lyrical dominance. In a tracks, people make a whole heap of talk. Whole heap of talk where them can't really back. Them write a whole heap of check where them can't cash. And when they hear another artist point it out, I don't feel anything wrong with that. Some people as a teacher go out time way for this some other artist. Teacher not go out time way for this some other artist. Statement was made. All them track a trend without the views for match. And everybody take offense to that. Who not put out song, put out posts. Some people are balling after them posts. Some people are show admiration after them posts. Some people are remind young youths to stay focused and about to follow because some other artists are the more dominant. Try to get your seat at the table. Where people make a countless amount of talk. But at the same artist, them will notice say, yo, make sneak this in a track. Siva not go sneak this. Siva call everybody name. Siva say, yo, you. Let's see where you are going with. Follow ya, follow. I talk things for already. You will mention place when I hear a place. But book you see what go on. You know what time it is. Now, should they respond? Talk to me in the comment section. The lyrical confrontation at this point in time, as I say, some fest them naki. Majority of the shows that you were looking forward to attending and seeing your favorite artists on stage have been cancelled. So now, I just tracks for entertainment. And the lyrical confrontation is very entertaining. We see what go on when Jahmiel clash with Labas. Even though we know he's never lyrically ready, it was still very, very entertaining. So it's a part of dancehall. Just like how you have lyrical confrontation, you have dancing competitions. Are the same thing. Are the same exact thing, viewers and subscribers. So I'm gonna see why some people in the comment section say, oh, war this and war that. This has nothing to do with a physical confrontation. This is a lyrical competition to establish dominance. Remember, say artists are gonna make some talk, some statements in a song. Or we're gonna make them authentic. I'm going with another artist respond to it and tell you what the people from that area say. So we know if them statements are authentic, or we know if them statements genuine. And in truth and in fact, we know the majority of these artists, they don't live the lifestyle that they portray in the music, even in the music video. And we notice say, yo, and next thing too, majority of the artists who are naysayers in a dancehall music about Vibes Cartel are the wagonist rust them. Yeah, otherwise the who people are considered the dancehall industry as the dreads. Yes, the dreads are afraid, viewers and subscribers, of Siva, the zombie. Them know what time it is. Them know what time it is. I must say Shawn run out too. I mean, Shane have a track on a caution with him. I see him with him a bloodbath upon. So, you see what there? Will they respond? Them ask feet. We see Move make him post and I say, yo, you remember them? Goalie side ready. Make song. Make a track and make we take it there. Make a song and let us take it there. If we're not ready. I suspect that they won't. We not expect Govana to respond. And Jahmiel, it's obvious. We see say him no plan for respond. He's scared as ever. He's definitely scared as ever. We're going to talk about the Crusader rhythm. First and foremost, we're not seeing no rhythm in a dancehall music like that rhythm currently. From before the rhythm even start, the fact that we know say it's a diss track and we hear the rhythm, we know what time it was. We know exactly what time it was. And from them hear the track too, them know say this is not something to respond to. Them know if them answer silver, them are gonna make it. Them are gonna make it something where them know them can't angle. Them know them would be able to handle a situation like that again. The fact of the matter is that remember, these artists are currently behind the bars and around the streets. I want them on the streets and can't run it. That's definitely something to put into focus too as well. So them have things to talk about for days. And I just talk about who have it chip Glock settings and who strapped and no. And I just about talk it from wax. Talk facts. How a chronic law they tell Jahmiel say. And Siva pointed out say yo, the things them talk about not factual. We know them. We know them origin story. This and them and make them and make it up. Just like how they make up them songs. That's why some people even speculate say yo, these songs sometimes must be written by writers. Because the lifestyle where them try to portray the music, we know them and know say yo, first and foremost situations where them talk about did not occur. Differently from the fact that the situations did not occur. We know them persona. We know what them forward in the music with. And then now if we make the lane switch, link up with some other artists and decide say, you know, we're going to start for disrespect giant in the game. You can't do it and feel like say that I got unanswered. Feel like you say it and people are say, alright, he did say that, but you know what I mean, just because in the make a diss track, no. You go out of your way to mention the teacher. So you mean, a response after that, yeah, when intensity make him chat right away, sick of rhyme say, oh, where are the youth? Confront him. We don't hear him respond all now. Them afraid of the Gaza viewers and subscribers. It's clear right now. Them afraid of the Gaza. And them know it will lead to. A lyrical confrontation of this magnitude. One, yeah, it might help them career. It might. But it almost so might give them career closure. It might be the settlement of all confrontation. If that, we don't hear nothing more from them. Them probably have to change genre again. Who Rasta have to trim? Who no Rasta have to Ras now? Something that have to change. You see what go on when Vibes Cartel page assassin in a dancehall music. From that we don't see the type of assassin that did exist before. Agent Sasko changed his entire style. His style is no more reggae orientated as opposed to dancehall. Vibes Cartel show him say yo, no we are done in the industry. Cause we there and the thing no normal. Definitely a good look for to see her run out and I show them say yo. Nobody feel like say yo, the teacher alone. Or we necessarily need a teacher for respond. The teacher don't tell we say when him nah drop no song or go to war with no peasant. Nah do it. The Zambia say whoever, anybody at all call Gaza name. Trouble setting. Anybody at all. And they make sure point out say, oh, Govy, you more have a prominent name in the fourth genre right now than even I don't it. And the truth and fact of the matter that Govana, music in the streets right now is being played more than Idonia's music. Just if I make sure I point it out to him to say, you, first and foremost, you know where you're going to start off your song with. You're going to start off your song and say something about Spanish town, but listen to me. Listen to me. We don't know your night town. When you fall up night town, we don't see it. And if we're catching on the bus spot, yo, see what you're not easy. Viewers and subscribers, talk to me in the comment section. Do you think they should respond? Can they respond even? Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent and the Gaza representative. And yes, I'm reminding you now, If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there as well for me, like you drop a like on the blog. In truth, share icon there too. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion, comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You man know move settings fam, and when I need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course for to live, love, and prosper. Right now at this point in time, we see who's scared. We see how we run from the lyrical confrontation, viewers and subscribers.